Did you know that carrots have been touted as a miracle food for improving eyesight for decades? But is there any truth to this claim, or is it just a well-worn myth? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of carrots to uncover the truth behind their supposed vision-boosting powers. We'll explore the history behind this popular belief, examine the scientific evidence, and discuss the real benefits of adding carrots to your diet. Carrots are often associated with good vision, and many of us have heard that eating them can help us see better, especially at night. But how did this idea start? And is there any scientific backing to it? Whether you're a carrot lover or just curious about the connection between what we eat and our eye health, stay tuned as we dissect the facts and fiction surrounding this vibrant vegetable. We'll go beyond the surface and look at what makes carrots nutritionally powerful, and we'll compare them to other foods that are beneficial for your eyes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of whether eating carrots every day can truly improve your vision instantly, or if it's simply a myth that's been passed down through generations. Hi, I am V, and welcome to the best health channel on YouTube, where we talk about everything related to your health and well-being. Please give this video a thumbs up to support, and consider subscribing to the channel. To understand why carrots have gained such a reputation for improving vision, we first need to look at what they contain. Carrots are not just crunchy and delicious, they are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A. Beta-carotene is what gives carrots their vibrant orange color. When consumed, our bodies convert beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision. But that's not all. Carrots also contain vitamin K1, important for bone health and blood clotting, potassium, helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. Vitamin B6, vital for brain health and the production of neurotransmitters. Fiber, aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. These nutrients collectively support various bodily functions, making carrots a valuable addition to a balanced diet. While we're focusing on vision, it's worth noting that the benefits of carrots extend far beyond eye health. The antioxidants in carrots, such as beta-carotene, help combat free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. Regular consumption of carrots can support heart health by lowering blood cholesterol levels, immune function, thanks to their high vitamin A content, skin health, beta-carotene helps protect your skin from sun damage, eye health and beta-carotene. Now let's hone in on how beta-carotene and vitamin A specifically contribute to eye health. Vitamin A is a critical component of rhodopsin, a protein in your eyes that allows you to see in low-light conditions. Without enough vitamin A, you could experience night blindness and other vision issues. It's easy to see why carrots have been linked to improved vision. They provide a significant amount of the daily recommended intake of vitamin A, supporting not just eye health but overall wellness. Next, we'll explore the history behind the belief that carrots can improve your eyesight and how this idea became so widespread. Stay with us as we uncover the origins of this fascinating claim. Now that we've covered the nutritional profile of carrots, let's delve into the intriguing history behind the belief that carrots can improve your eyesight. This story is a mix of historical events, wartime propaganda, and enduring myths. The connection between carrots and vision can be traced back to World War II. During the war, the British Royal Air Force developed a new radar technology that allowed pilots to spot enemy planes at night. To keep this technology a secret, the British government spread a rumor that their pilots had exceptional night vision because they consumed a lot of carrots. Posters and campaigns promoted the idea that eating carrots would help you see better in the dark. This clever piece of propaganda was not only aimed at misleading the enemy, but also at encouraging the British public to consume more locally grown vegetables, including carrots, which were abundant. The story of the RAF pilots and their carrot-induced night vision quickly took root in the public imagination. It was a simple, believable explanation that resonated with people and reinforced the notion that carrots were beneficial for eyesight. Over time, this wartime myth evolved into a commonly accepted belief that eating carrots could significantly improve vision. Despite advancements in nutrition science and better understanding of eye health, the myth of carrots dramatically improving vision persists to this day. Many people still believe that munching on carrots will lead to instant visual improvements, thanks in large part to the powerful narrative established during the war. While the idea that carrots alone can drastically improve vision might be an exaggeration, their role in a balanced diet shouldn't be underestimated. Carrots are a nutritious vegetable that can contribute to overall eye health, particularly when combined with other vitamin-rich foods. Now that we understand the historical context behind the carrot and vision myth, it's time to dive into the science. What does research actually say about the impact of carrots on our eyesight? Are they really the vision miracle they're made out to be? There is some truth to the idea that carrots can benefit your eyes, but it's essential to understand the nuances. Beta-carotene and vitamin A. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is vital for maintaining healthy vision. It helps protect the surface of the eye, cornea, and is a component of rhodopsin, a protein in your eyes that helps you see in low-light conditions. Research findings: studies have shown that adequate intake of vitamin A can prevent certain vision problems such as night blindness. However, the benefits plateau. Once you have enough vitamin A in your diet, additional intake doesn't significantly enhance vision. While it's true that carrots contribute to overall eye health, the idea that they can instantly improve vision, especially for those without a vitamin A deficiency, is a myth. Dietary balance. Vision health relies on a balanced diet rich in various nutrients. Other vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins C and E, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, also play crucial roles in maintaining eye health. Exaggeration of effects. Eating a diet high in carrots won't correct vision impairments like myopia, nearsightedness, or hyperopia, farsightedness. These conditions are typically addressed with corrective lenses or surgical interventions. Though carrots may not offer instant vision improvement, regular consumption as part of a balanced diet can provide long-term benefits. Prevention of deficiency. Consistently including carrots in your diet helps ensure you get enough beta-carotene and vitamin A, which can prevent deficiencies that lead to vision problems. Overall health. The antioxidants in carrots, including beta-carotene, can protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, conditions that can impair vision over time. Next, we'll compare carrots to other foods that are beneficial for eye health and see how they stack up. Stay with us as we continue to explore the best ways to support your vision through nutrition. While carrots are certainly a healthy addition to your diet, they aren't the only food that can support eye health. We'll compare carrots to other nutrient-rich foods that contribute to maintaining good vision. Other vegetables and foods beneficial for vision. Leafy greens. Examples: spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Nutrients high in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect against cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Citrus fruits and berries. Examples: oranges, lemons, strawberries, and blueberries. Nutrients rich in vitamin C, which helps maintain the health of blood vessels in the eyes and reduces the risk of cataracts. Nuts and seeds. Examples: almonds, sunflower seeds, and walnuts. Nutrients packed with vitamin E, which protects eye cells from free radical damage and slows the progression of age-related macular degeneration. Fatty fish. Examples: salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Nutrients high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for retinal health and can prevent dry eyes and macular degeneration. Eggs. Nutrients contain lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin A, and zinc, all of which are important for maintaining healthy eyes and reducing the risk of age-related vision problems. How carrots stack up. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, essential for preventing night blindness and maintaining overall eye health. However, a balanced diet that includes a variety of these other nutrient-rich foods will provide comprehensive support for your vision. Synergy of nutrients. Eye health relies on a combination of nutrients. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamin A, but pairing them with foods rich in other vitamins and antioxidants will provide more robust protection against eye diseases. Diverse diet. Incorporating a diverse array of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and fish ensures that you get a full spectrum of nutrients beneficial for your eyes and overall health. In summary, while carrots play a valuable role in supporting eye health, they are most effective when part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of other nutrient-rich foods. Now that we know the benefits of carrots and other eye-healthy foods, let's talk about how to incorporate these into your daily diet. Here are some practical tips to help you make the most of these nutritional powerhouses. Incorporating carrots into your daily diet. Snack on raw carrots. Keep a stash of baby carrots or carrot sticks in your fridge for a quick and easy snack. Raw carrots retain their full nutrient content and are convenient for on-the-go munching. Add carrots to salads. Grate or julienne carrots to add a crunchy texture to your salads. Fresh carrots add color, flavor, and a nutrient boost to any salad. Blend carrots into smoothies. Add chopped carrots to your morning smoothie along with fruits and leafy greens. Blending helps break down the carrots, making it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients. Cooked carrot dishes, roast, steam, or sauté carrots as a side dish, or add them to soups and stews. Cooking carrots can increase the bioavailability of beta-carotene, making it easier for your body to convert it to vitamin A. Carrot juice. Juice fresh carrots or buy 100% carrot juice. Carrot juice is a concentrated source of nutrients and can be a refreshing drink option. We've explored the truth behind the belief that carrots can improve your vision. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, crucial for eye health, and they also contain other nutrients like vitamin K1, potassium, and fiber. The myth that carrots improve vision originated from British propaganda. Scientifically, while carrots support eye health by preventing vitamin A deficiency, they don't instantly improve vision. Other eye-healthy foods include leafy greens, citrus fruits, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. For practical tips, enjoy carrots raw, in salads, smoothies, cooked dishes, or as juice, and combine them with other nutrient-rich foods for the best results. In conclusion, while carrots are beneficial for maintaining eye health, they're not a miracle cure for vision problems. A balanced diet rich in various nutrients is key to supporting your vision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.